Hey, it's Jenny with Icon. Come on and take a look at one of our most recent projects. Welcome to the kitchen. Let's talk about the changes we made in here. Standing right now, just about right here, was a wall dividing the kitchen and formal dining room. So by taking down this wall, we combined the kitchen and formal dining room, and we're able to reorient the kitchen towards the back of the house. Some of the cool finishes in here are these great granite countertops, new flooring, and this cool hood right behind me where we use the flooring to create this custom look. Now let's go check out the living room. Welcome to the living room. This space used to be connected to the formal dining room. Now it opens up right to the kitchen, so it makes it much more inviting. The biggest changes happened right behind me on the fireplace wall. It used to have a very formal cherry mantle, so we took that down and installed this great checkered tile for a focal point. You'll also notice the custom built-in bookshelves right behind me, and as a cool accent, the homeowners used dark trim throughout the house, something you might want to think about for your next project. Now follow me over to the dinette for a great idea for an accent wall. Welcome to the dinette. This is a twofer. There are two accent walls in this space. The brick wall here was original to the house, and I think every space is cooler with the brick wall, so you might want to think about adding that. The little nook behind me, the homeowners were looking for a way to highlight that small space, so they found this cool tile, and we tiled that as well. So that wraps it up. Thank you for joining me on this featured project of the quarter.